bago bang ebidensya, ma'am?
Karamihan po yung dati lang, pero matindi na po yun, yung mga audit findings, mga liquidation vouchers, liquidation documents showing all of those fictitious names of alleged payees or alleged beneficiaries. Legislative records, yung mga TSN, yung mga proceedings, yung mga hearings before the Committee on Good Government and Public Accountability. And then, yung isang ground, yung tungkol sa pag-threaten niya na ipapa-assassinate, na nag-utos na daw, nag-hire na ng assassin, ipa-assassinate yung Pangulo, yung First Lady, and the former Speaker of the House. Ang pinaka-ebidensya, yung galing mismo sa kanyang bunganga, right from her mouth. Nakitang-kita natin yung video kung saan ginawa niya yung threat na yon ng plot to assassinate those three officials or those three individuals. So nandyan, from her own mouth, from herself, from legislative records, from audit findings, official audit findings, liquidation vouchers, and ang nakadagdag, yung sworn statement ni Ramil Madriaga, na yun na nga daw ang link doon sa usapin ng pag-abuso, pag-misuse, pagwaldas ng confidential funds of both the office